Stock trading can be a maze. The sheer volume of information out there is overwhelming. You've got free ebooks, expensive courses, and a ton of sketchy YouTubers out there, all saying different things.
Not really. Maybe. It's classified.
So how do you separate the good advice from the bad? I've been there myself, navigating the same frustrating landscape. It's exhausting. That's exactly why I made this video, to cut through the noise and give you a straightforward guide on how to get started with stock trading if you're a complete beginner. Now, before you think this is another sales pitch, it's not. I'm not going to wrap everything up in a fancy course and charge you $300. No, this is 100% free. I've been trading for the past 10 years, and I know firsthand just how much you need to sift through. My goal here is to break things down into simple, digestible pieces so that you can get up to speed fast. You might be thinking, is $100 enough? What about $1,000 or even $10,000? But what if I told you that you could start with $0? Now let me explain. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is jumping straight into the market with their life savings. Zero experience, no strategy, just because they saw someone on Instagram flashing a Lambo. They dive in head first, lose their money, and walk away thinking, maybe this isn't for me. This happens to most traders, and it's completely avoidable. Here's how. Start with paper trading. Basically, it's a stock trading simulator with fake money. You can test out strategies, learn risk management, and control your emotions without risking a cent. You can even experiment with more advanced techniques, like short selling. There are plenty of paper trading simulators out there, some free, some paid. Personally, I would suggest trying out interactive brokers. It's free, beginner friendly, and they even offer over 4% just to hold your funds in the account. When's the last time a bank's done that for you? I've left a link in the description to sign up if you're interested. Oh, and just so you know, this video isn't sponsored by interactive brokers. Though, well, if you're watching, okay, once you're set up, start trading with the fake money as if it were your own. That's the key. Treat it like it's your own capital and put everything I'm going to teach you in this series into practice. And here's where things get serious. Track every trade you make. If you lose money on a trade, write down what went wrong. Were you too greedy? Did you move your stop loss? Did your emotions get the best of you? Did you not stick by your rules? Record everything. This way you can look back, figure out what went wrong, and fix it. It's going to speed up your learning curve exponentially.
It's the right move, T.
But don't stop there. Track all your winners too. What did you do right? How can you repeat that success? This kind of self-review is crucial to your growth as a trader. I personally use Stonk Journal to gather all the information for my setups and my trades. It's free, has all the features you'll ever need, and is cloud-based. Think about this as defining your edge. When you're just starting out, don't focus on making money. Focus on refining your strategy, improving your skills, and learning as much as you can. The profits will come later. Follow these steps and you'll quickly get ahead of the thousands of new traders. This single piece of advice is a game changer. Seriously, every new trader should follow this. So, that's the first step in your stock trading journey. I'm thinking of turning this into a whole, complete A to Z on how to become a successful trader. We'll cover everything from risk management, trading psychology, chart setups, candlestick patterns, strategies, and more. If you're interested in seeing more, hit that like button, laying out everything you need to know to start trading stocks from scratch.